Good morning and once again welcome to my YouTube channel, Maths with Ease by Mr. Kamotho. And in this video I want us to explain example 4 in handling data 5. In this question we are having this fair 5-sided spinner is spun twice. Draw a tree diagram to show the probabilities. What is the probability of both spins landing on red? What is the probability of landing on one red and one blue? For your information, I have realized that these colors are not clear to you, but this is blue and this is also blue. This is red, this is red, this is also red, and this is also red. We have 2 blues and 3 reds. And the spinner is fair. Fair means that all faces have equal probability of showing up. We talk about it as equiprobable. Equiprobable events are the events that are equally likely to happen. So, and they will always happen on a fair item, like we are talking about fair 5-sided spinner. It is spun twice. And the question is highlighting on a tree diagram. In fact, that is part A. Draw a tree diagram to show the probabilities. And we'll just start here. The first, if you spin this spinner, it might bring a red, it might show a red, or it might show a blue. The probability of showing a red, how many reds do we have? 1, 2, 3 out of a total 5. So 3 out of 5. Blue, 2 out of 5. That is the first spin. The second spin, after spinning, we can still have a red, or this time we can have a blue. Or after having a blue in the first spin, we can this time have a red, or we can continue to have a blue in the second spin. And the possibility of having a red is 3 out of 5, blue 2 out of 5, red 3 out of 5, blue 2 out of 5. And that is part A of the question. We have constructed a tree diagram, part A. Now, part B of the question requires that what is the probability of both spins landing on red? So we are talking about the probability of a red and a red, meaning that we will highlight the roots. From here, we should see a red here and another red. So the final result here is red, red. The final result here is red, blue. So we are having red, blue. The final result here is blue, red. This is blue, red. This final result here is blue, blue. So the possibility of having a red is just one root, which is we start with red and we end with red, which is just this root. If we could highlight it, that is the red, red. And because we are talking about and, a red and a red, we will now interpret it with multiplication. This is 3 out of 5 because of this one, times 3 out of 5 because of the word and, which is 9 out of 25. And that is the probability of showing a red and another red. There we go. Part C of the question, what is the probability of landing on one red and one blue? You realize that we must be having different results here, one red and one blue, but there is no order. It means we can have the probability of red followed by blue, or we can have a blue followed by this time red. Blue and red, or red and blue. Either of those will give us the same result because we do not have specific condition. If the question talks about followed by, for example, red followed by blue, then we would have talked about red, blue, only that root. But because there is nothing special, there is no special statement. We just want one red and one blue. It doesn't matter which color came first. So we could have a red blue or a blue red. So that root is acceptable and this root is acceptable. Every time we walk horizontal along the tree diagram, we multiply. But if we have different roots, then the word or comes in, whereby we add the results of the two roots. So red, blue is 3 out of 5 times 2 out of 5, get the results. An alternative root, this is red, blue, and this is blue, red. This is blue, red. We could have blue, red. So, which means another root, or 2 out of 5 times 3 out of 5. Get those results as this is 6 out of 25 plus another 6 out of 25, and we get 12 out of 25 as the probability of getting one red and one blue. Thank you, and let us meet in the next video.